The waves were rising far too high. He lost his strength beneath the sky. The water pulled him to the deep, where shadows tried to make him sleep. But through the storm a voice broke through, a reaching hand, strong, steady, true. Someone saw the fear inside and swam against the hardest tide.